la gentile clientela non oltrepassare la linea gialla di sicurezza sulla banchina. We kindly ask our customers not to cross the yellow safety line on the platform.
So I'm just on my way back to my hotel room from Termini. I was in the Prati neighbourhood just outside of the Vatican. Everybody's taking escalators. I'm walking 2 steps at a time. So, and I'm still faster than everybody here. I'm not even in shape right now. Just coming back from an injury. I might have to stop by Conad. I don't have anything to drink back in my hotel room. After spending a week here, I've been able to learn how to navigate throughout most of Rome. I actually started filming back when I was over in Prati, but my GoPro died right away. So now I'm just filming with my Sony Xperia. This way here. And then to the left. I'm going to get settled in at the hotel first, charge all my stuff up, then I'll probably just walk over to here to Conad or grab something on the way. There are a bunch of little mini markets on the way to the hotel room. The chaos that is the train stations here in Europe. Thank you for sharing in my experience. If you enjoyed my video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would truly appreciate you sharing my video on your social network as it helps my channel grow. Be sure to check my playlist to see different categories on my exciting adventures I'm sharing with the world. Life is an adventure. Let's share this experience together.